So there are a couple different types of abandonment. Abandonment is when somebody comes to your site and browses around, maybe adds something to a cart, and then leaves without making a purchase. So the two main types of abandonment we're going to talk about during this course are browse abandonment and cart abandonment. Browse abandonment is when somebody comes to visit your website, they browse a product, they take a look at it maybe one time, they view the product page maybe 3 times, and then they leave. That's browse abandonment. Cart abandonment is when they go a little further down the funnel. They actually view the product page, they add that to cart, and then they abandon. Those are the two types of abandonment. It's totally natural. Like every business has abandonment. That's just part of running an e-commerce business. And you want to reduce it, but it's also your opportunity to follow up with people with really targeted, relevant messaging. And generally those emails you send to people who have abandoned a cart or browse abandoned are highly profitable emails and something to focus on. If you're wondering if abandonment is an issue on your website, we're going to go into it in a little bit more in depth during the course, and we'll talk about what are some of the numbers that you should look at, some of the benchmark numbers, but just realize that it's a natural part of the buying process. People get scared off for many reasons, whether it's they're just not ready to buy, shipping costs. Those are often common factors in people abandoning their cart.